Hi, my name is Tina Keller, and I'm excited to talk to you about my idea for my 20 Time Passion project. As a young child, I loved art and I loved to paint. I remember sitting under my desk in my room and drawing my dolls and just feeling so proud of myself and just enjoying the process. As I grew older, I became more self conscious of my art and started to compare myself to others. This is my opportunity to regain that passion and to begin to paint again. So I found an artist online who provides YouTube videos with painting ideas, and she really caters to artists who might feel apprehensive about their abilities. So I think she's the perfect teacher for me. And I intend on creating a sketchbook of my paintings and to participate in her online classes. So, as far as materials, I'll need to collect supplies, paints, brushes, and also subscribe to her art channel. As far as obstacles that I might encounter, I anticipate feelings of doubt and, being worried that my work isn't good enough. So I'll really need to focus on that and not allow those feelings to get in the way and to just stick to it and keep with the process. So I'm really excited about this opportunity. I love to hear your feedback, and thanks for listening to my pitch.